Hi guys, welcome to T-Fafers TV. Murise kuma TV enyika. Temba Mliswa achitaura nechemumoyo achidedzera kuti timu yevarakashi ndiidi neZanupf vada kunditorera nhaka yangu, pfuma yangu. Ndiyo vakatuma mheni kuti pise musha wangu. Ndozviziva kuti pise plot rangu. Ndiri kuzviona zvangu.
Result of lightning striking this big tree, as you can see, this big tree, the fire which went into this gazebo again, which was equally destroyed. And from there, it then jumped to this kitchen as well, which was there. As you can see, that there's massive destruction. Okay? This was the kitchen again, which was destroyed by the fire, which jumped from that gazebo to this. As you can see, massive destruction. Again, the stoves and the onions and all those things, and the stoves, the fridge, and nothing. The solar geyser which is out there. So the question is, what do we do as a country to mitigate this problem of lightning striking? Hi, this is what policy has government got, or how do they intend to intervene in that situation and so forth? And it's been happening in Shurug, it's been happening in many rural areas where people lose their homes due to lightning striking. So what is that? That must be done. That's the question I ask. We believe that we're kings, and when a king's palace has been destroyed, you build a better palace for the king. And we are not at all blaming anybody. This is nature at play. And like I say, when a king's palace has been destroyed, you build something better for the king, and that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to start our renovations, but the disturbing issues, what is government doing to deal with lightning that is striking and destroying people's homes and starting fires? Thank you very much. At the Mliswa village, Ward 5, Shurug South.
I'm sure guys mazvinzwira kanyaya kacho kaari kutaura Temba Mliswa anayazozviziva kuti itimu yevarakashi zvake asi kuda kubudira pachena, asi anayazvoziva kuti ndivanani vakakonzeresa, ndivanani vakatuma mheni, haasi kungoda zvake kuti munyasoziva, but ari kutaura pachikuru nyaya anoziva kuti inobva kupi chienda kupi. Saka ndizivi guys kuti munoti kudinazvo, asi Temba Mliswa aita senonzi ndimwari, adedzera kuti aiwa zvinoitika zvinowanikwa, but ndechemumoyo chokwadi anochiziva, tinochiziva chokwadi. Ari kudedzera kuti manje panapa ndichakuonesai nhamo, neniwo ndichaidzosera, ndichadedzera kuti back to sender. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.